Welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting recipe to share with you. Homemade lentil wraps from scratch. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure as I guide you through the process of creating these delicious and nutritious wraps from start to finish. Whether you're a plant-based eater looking to incorporate more fiber and protein into your diet, or simply seeking a tasty and satisfying meal, these lentil wraps will not disappoint. So grab your aprons, get those taste buds ready, and join me in discovering the joy of making lentil wraps from scratch. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more inspiring recipes and culinary adventures. Let's get it. Peace. Class is in session, so pay attention. All you're gonna need for this recipe is 1 cup of lentils. You're gonna need 2 cups of water, and you're gonna pretty much soak that overnight. You're gonna need salt to taste, and you're gonna need seasoning, which is optional. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this delicious journey of making homemade lentil wraps from scratch. These wraps are not only jam-packed with wholesome ingredients and flavors, but also offer a fantastic alternative to traditional wraps. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a novice in the kitchen, I encourage you to give this recipe a try and get creative with your fillings and toppings. The possibilities are endless. I would love to hear how your lentil wraps turned out. So be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes, cooking tips, and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy those lentil wraps. Peace.